In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix your Venmo phone number change has been failed. So you can update your phone number properly by going over to your Venmo. So when you sign in to Venmo from a new device, they will send a verification code to the phone number on file. So in there, please do not create a new Venmo account with your new phone number. So if you want, you can head over and sign in first to your Venmo account with your old phone number and update your number from there. Navigate to your settings, tap on profile, tap account, then phone number. Now enter in your number and then save it. Now, if the phone number has been failed or the change has been failed, that may be because your phone number is already associated to another Venmo account or it's not eligible at the moment to receive text or the likes. Make sure as well that you have sufficient SMS storage on your phone so you can head over and update your phone number. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video actually helped you out.